Hey, Happy New Year's. This is Dave. Balmy 26 degrees. Out for the polar bear ride. Thanks for following along. We're going to catch you probably down in Daytona. All right, that was a brisk ride. 26 degrees. We did about 50 miles. Now we got to do 50 miles home. But we're at the American Legion Hall in, I don't know where we're at, but we're going to go have some breakfast. Well, that was pretty good breakfast. Had a few bikes turn out. Time to ride that 50 miles back, but it's still a little chilly. Well, I burned almost a half a tank today in this cold weather. Put down below how much gas you burned out today. January 1st, 2024.